Good morning everyone. I am Ms. B. Sangeeta Priya, working in a department of CSE IoT in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. In previous video, we have discussed about three sorting algorithms and why sorting is used. The three sorting algorithms are bubble sort, selection sort, and the insertion sort. Hope you all understand that one. And with the continuation of the sorting, we are going to see about merge sort and the quick sort. In merge sort and the quick sort, we are using an algorithm called divide and conquer. For the better understanding of divide and conquer, let's take an example that if I have a huge problem or a huge database, how can I sort that array? For example, if I have the thousands of students database in a college, how can I sort it? First, I will be splitting that database into a department-wise order or a department-wise, that is either CSE, CSE IoT or CST or CSD or ECE. And next, I will be splitting it into the years, that is first year, second year, third year or final year. So we can easily identify which department that student belongs to and where and which year he is studying. This method is called as a divide and conquer method, and by using divide and conquer method we are sorting the arrays merge sort and the quick sort. In last video we have seen about bubble sort and the insertion sort and the selection sort. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the divide and conquer technique, merge sort, idea, algorithm and the step-by-step example, and next one is a quick sort and the applications of the divide and conquer. Here, what is divide and conquer? As I said previously, here I have a 4 elements. I am splitting it into the 2 by 2. So I am sorting that element, and next I am joining that element. If I join like that, the array will be sorted easily. So divide and conquer is a problem solving technique that breaks the complex problems into a smaller subproblem, solves each subproblem recursively, and then combines their solutions to form the final solutions. Here the first one is a quick sort, and in quick sort, as we discussed earlier, we are using divide and conquer algorithm. By selecting the pivot element from the array, we are partitioning the other elements into 2 subarrays, and whether we are checking that it is less than or greater than the pivot, and subarrays are sorted recursively. In each pass, the element will be moved to if the element is already moved to the correct position, it will be taking a k pass, then the largest k element must be moved to the last k position. In this pass, the remaining elements are compared all adjacent and swapped. If the larger element is before a smaller element, if we keep doing this, we get the largest remaining element as it is in the correct position. Here we have explained the quick sort algorithm. Here I have taken the number 13 as a pivot element. So I am splitting the array 7, 12, 14 and 11. 13 is kept in a side, and 18, 15, 19, 16. In what manner I have split it is the left side element should be less than the pivot value, and the right side element should be greater than the pivot value. If you see in this diagram, the 13 is the pivot value, and the right side of the pivot value is all larger than the 13, that is 18, 15, 19, 16, and left side is all smaller, 7, 12, 4, 11. So I am splitting that array into 2 positions, that is 7, 4, and next is 11 is kept as a pivot value, and I am taking 12 as a 12 is greater than 11, so I am taking it in a right side. Here 4 is kept because the 11 and 12 is already sorted. The 7 and 4 is not sorted, so I am keeping 4 as a pivot value, and 7 is I am keeping as a right. Here in this position, 15, 16 is kept as a pivot value, so 19 and 18 will be going to the right position, and here by using this position, I using the pivot value, I have sorted the given array as most easiest as in way. Algorithm for the bubble sort algorithm is, first we should choose the pivot value, selecting an element from an array as a pivot value, commonly the first, last or the middle element. The partitioning the array, rearranging the elements so that all element less than the pivot come before it, all element greater than the pivot come after it. Recursively applying the quicksort on the left and the right subarray, combining when subarray have one element or an empty, they have already sorted, combine them to get the final sorted array. Hope you all understand this quick sort algorithm. Thank you.